In this lesson, I'm going to talk about the trigonometry. The question is, draw the graphic of f(x) equals to cosine x plus square root 3 times sine x. Now, let us to solve this problem. First, we multiply the function by 2 divided by 2. So this equals to 2 times 1/2 times cosine x plus square root 3 divided by 2 times sine x. Now, the sine, we know sine 1/6 pi equals to sine 30 degree, which equals to 1/2, and the cosine 1/6 pi equals to cosine, here is 6, cosine 30 degree. Cosine 30 degree is sine 60 degree, which equals to square root 3 divided by 2. So this equals to 2 times 1/2. 1/2 is sine 1/6 pi. Sine 1/6 pi times cosine x plus square root 3 divided by 2 is cosine 1/6 pi. Cosine 1/6 pi times sine x. Now, we are going to use the formula sine alpha plus beta equals to sine alpha times cosine beta plus cosine alpha times sine beta. So sine 1/6 pi times cosine x plus cosine 1/6 pi times sine x equals to 2 times sine 1/6 pi plus x. So this equals to 2 times sine x plus 1/6 pi. Now, we are going to draw f(1) x equals to 2 times sine x first. For the sine x curve, 1 period, half period, quarter period, and 3/4 period. Now we get these 5 points. Connect these 5 points smoothly. And extend this curve. This red curve is f(1) x, which is 2 times sine x. I'm going to change the color. Now, we are going to draw f(x). f(x) equals to 2 times sine x plus 1/6 pi. So we are going to shift sine x curve left 1/6 pi unit to get the f(x). So move this point left 1/6 pi, 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 and move this point left 1/6 pi, move this point left 1/6 pi. Now we connect this curve smoothly. This blue curve is fx equals to 2 times sine x plus 1/6 pi. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, please hit the subscription button. Thank you for watching.